Good morning, Jean-Pierre. This is Jim Schaefer. I got your jukebox ready. It's going next door for crating and shipping in about 20 minutes. I personally went through the jukebox and detailed it and did a check on it for everything working. I actually went through, you got 24 selections. I went through every selection 5 times, so I played it about 125 times. Everything is working correctly. The jukebox sounds good, looks good, is good. What I do want to show you is how you will be, when you receive this, come on up here, Jeff, let me show him something. When you receive this jukebox, I will have taken out the record and the tin, okay? So we don't want these floating around in there in shipment. So here's the record and the tin. These simply set on this. You put the record on it, you pull it out, and you just slide it in, okay? Now if you come over here, what I've done is you see here is all of your tins and all of your records. Now these are double-sided hits. This is a brand new set of music, double-sided 50s and 60s hits. And what I've done is I've numbered these 1 through 24. So when you receive it, it will be very easy for you to install your records and your tins. 1 through 24, which corresponds with the title strips. As well as these are double-sided hits. So here is the balance of all of the pre-printed title strips for the flip side of all of these records. Now there's actually 25 records in there, so you're getting 50 hits brand new with title strips. As well as I'm including some blank title strips, because if you buy some different records, you will be able to either type or write in the name on these, and these fit in your jukebox. Come back here, Jeff, I want to show him. Well, let me show him this first. So this is the back door. You see I have it off because I want to show you something. If you want to get the back door off, you just turn this little knob and then it just lifts up and out, okay? I also want to show you in the back of this, come around here. We're going to show him down here. Once you take the back door off, here is 2 knobs down here for bass and treble. So you can do a little adjusting for the tone which you like in your home. This is your volume control key. This will be taped to the back door. So this is for your loudness. Clearly, these are your on and off switches. You just turn them both on and everything comes alive. Once again, I've personally serviced it, or not serviced it, checked it all out and detailed the jukebox. This is an absolutely beautiful box. You're gonna love it. Brand new records, brand new title strips. Everything's been played 5 times. It's good to go. It goes next door right now. And you're gonna love this jukebox. And once again, thank you for business, and I hope that we can do some more. Thank you.
Here, now that Jim has gone through how to operate, we're going to go ahead and I'll show you how close your shipping company is right here in Orange County Printing.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.